In the introduction to A Timeless Dialogue, we explore the profound conversation between Prince Arjuna and his charioteer Lord Krishna as depicted in the Bhagavad Gita, a sacred Hindu scripture. Lord Krishna, the one true God, imparts wisdom that transcends time. The verse from the Bhagavad Gita, chapter 7, verse 26, where Lord Krishna states, "I know everything that has happened in the past, all that is happening in the present, and all things that are yet to come. I also know all living entities, but me no one knows," can be interpreted in a manner that aligns with scientific concepts, particularly when we consider the principle of the conservation of energy in physics. One verse notably captures this essence, stating, "The universe is an illusion, a fleeting thing, unreal and transitory." This paradoxical idea resonates with modern scientific understanding of the universe. It's not about denying the existence of the physical world, but rather recognizing its transient nature. Everything we perceive is in constant change, subject to decay. Modern cosmology echoes this view, illustrating how stars are born, live and eventually die, how galaxies collide and merge, and how the universe itself is ever expanding and evolving. Thus, the Gita not only challenges us to look beyond the superficial, but also encourages a quest for a deeper, unchanging reality, a quest that mirrors the driving force of science itself. Both spirituality and science, in their unique ways, strive to unravel the profound mysteries of existence. In the cosmic dance of energy, we observe that the universe is teeming with energy. Stars radiate light and heat, planets orbit their suns, and life on Earth thrives, fueled by the sun's energy. According to science, this energy is neither created nor destroyed, it is merely transformed, adhering to the law of conservation of energy. The Bhagavad Gita reflects this principle when Krishna speaks of a fundamental energy that pervades the cosmos, serving as the source of all creation and the animating force of the universe. This energy courses through every atom, every star, every being. The Gita and modern science find common ground in recognizing that the universe is a dynamic interplay of energy. It's a cosmic dance of creation and destruction, birth and rebirth, where forms may change but the underlying energy remains constant. The illusion of time explores our perception of time as linear and absolute, a steady progression from past to present to future. However, Einstein's theory of relativity disrupts this view, revealing that time is relative and intertwined with space, not a universal constant. The Bhagavad Gita offers a similar perspective, with Krishna describing time as a cyclical phenomenon, an endless cycle of birth, death and rebirth, transcending linear time and existing in a state of timeless eternity. This concept of cyclical time is mirrored in the life cycles of stars, which form from interstellar dust, shine for billions of years and eventually die, returning their matter to the cosmos. New stars are born from these remnants, perpetuating the cosmic cycle. In The Observer and the Observed, quantum mechanics introduces a startling concept. The observer influences the observed. The act of observation can alter the state of a quantum system, challenging the traditional view of an objective reality independent of the observer. The Bhagavad Gita explores this idea through its examination of consciousness, with Krishna emphasizing the role of perception in shaping our reality. He suggests that our thoughts, beliefs and intentions influence our experience of the world. Both quantum mechanics and the Gita propose a participatory universe, suggesting that reality is not a static entity, but a dynamic interplay between the observer and the observed. Our consciousness, in a sense, shapes the world we experience. Quantum mechanics, a pillar of modern physics, presents a paradoxical world. Particles can exist in multiple states simultaneously, defying our everyday experience of reality. The act of observation collapses these possibilities into a single outcome. The Gita's philosophy resonates with this quantum conundrum. Krishna speaks of the illusory nature of the material world. He suggests that reality is fluid, a tapestry woven from possibilities. Our consciousness, he implies, plays a role in shaping this tapestry. Both quantum mechanics and the Gita challenge our linear perception of reality. They hint at a universe where possibilities coexist, where the observer participates in the unfolding of events. The boundary between the observer and the observed becomes blurred, suggesting a deeper interconnectedness. The universe, as we observe it, is finite. It had a beginning, the Big Bang, and it will likely have an end. Yet the Gita speaks of an eternal, unchanging reality that underpins the ephemeral world. This concept resonates with the fundamental constants of physics. The speed of light, the gravitational constant, Planck's constant, these values remain unchanged throughout the universe. They are the bedrock of physical laws, the unchanging framework upon which the cosmic drama unfolds. These fundamental constants, like the eternal reality described in the Gita, provide a sense of permanence amidst the cosmic flux. They suggest an underlying order, a timeless foundation that transcends the transient nature of the physical world. Space and time, according to Einstein's relativity, are interwoven into a single fabric, space-time. This fabric is warped by massive objects, creating the phenomenon of gravity. This warping of space-time affects the motion of objects, including light. The Gita's description of the universe echoes this concept of a unified reality. Krishna speaks of a cosmic web that connects all things. This web is not merely physical, but also spiritual, encompassing the realms of matter and consciousness. Both relativity and the Gita point towards a universe where everything is interconnected. The fabric of reality is not a collection of isolated entities, but a seamless tapestry, woven from the threads of space, time, matter, and consciousness. Section 8. Consciousness and the Cosmos. The nature of consciousness remains one of the greatest mysteries. How does the brain, a physical organ, give rise to subjective experience, to thoughts, emotions, and self-awareness? This question continues to puzzle scientists and philosophers alike. The Gita offers a spiritual perspective on consciousness. Krishna speaks of an individual soul, or Atman, that is a spark of the divine, the universal consciousness, or Brahman. This Atman, he suggests, is the source of our awareness, our inner light. While science seeks to understand consciousness through the lens of biology and neuroscience, the Gita approaches it from a spiritual viewpoint. Both perspectives acknowledge the profound mystery of consciousness, its role in shaping our perception of reality, and its connection to the larger cosmos. Our senses provide a limited window into the universe. We perceive only a narrow band of electromagnetic radiation as visible light. Sounds beyond a certain frequency range are inaudible. Our perception is a filtered reality, a glimpse into the vastness of the cosmos. The Gita encourages us to look beyond this veil of perception. Krishna speaks of a reality that transcends the limitations of our senses. He describes a realm of pure consciousness, of boundless awareness, where the true nature of the universe is revealed. This concept resonates with the limitations of our scientific instruments. Telescopes can only capture a fraction of the electromagnetic spectrum. Microscopes have limits to their resolving power. Our scientific understanding, like our perception, is limited by the tools we use to explore the universe. Throughout history, humans have sought to understand the universe. Ancient civilizations observed the stars, charting their movements and weaving them into their mythologies. Modern science continues this quest, using sophisticated instruments and mathematical models to unravel the cosmos's secrets. The Gita's wisdom, passed down through generations, represents a thread in this ongoing quest. Its insights into the nature of reality, consciousness, and the universe provide a philosophical framework that complements scientific inquiry. Both spirituality and science, in their own ways, contribute to our understanding of the universe. They offer different perspectives, different ways of knowing, but ultimately, they share a common goal: to comprehend the cosmos and our place within it. The human body, a marvel of biological complexity, mirrors the universe in its intricate structure. Cells, the building blocks of life, function like miniature ecosystems with their own internal processes and energy flows. Our brains, with their billions of neurons, resemble cosmic webs, pulsating with electrical activity. The Gita emphasizes this connection between the microcosm and the macrocosm. Krishna speaks of the universe residing within each individual, a reflection of the divine within the human soul. This concept resonates with the holographic principle in physics, which suggests that the information of the whole universe is encoded in every part. Both the Gita and modern science offer glimpses into the interconnected nature of reality. The universe is not merely an external entity, but also an internal reality, reflected in the very fabric of our being. We are, in a sense, miniature universes, containing within us the echoes of the cosmos. The Bhagavad Gita's timeless wisdom, when viewed through the lens of modern science, reveals a profound harmony between spirituality and scientific understanding. Krishna's teachings, seemingly paradoxical at first glance, resonate with concepts from relativity, quantum mechanics and cosmology. The universe, as depicted in both the Gita and modern science, is a dynamic interplay of energy, a cosmic dance of creation and destruction, of birth and rebirth. Time is not absolute but relative, intertwined with space. Consciousness plays a crucial role in shaping our perception of reality. The Gita and modern science, each in their own way, invite us to expand our understanding of the universe and ourselves. They encourage us to look beyond the veil of our limited perception, to glimpse the interconnected web of existence, and to recognize the symphony of energy that reverberates through the cosmos and within our very being. Created by architect Muguntha for scientific understanding of Bhagavad Gita for my Hindu community throughout the world. Jai Krishna, the 20th of May, 2024.